Hello everyone. Today I'm going showing to you creating a VPC with public and private subnet, step-by-step guide. In this lab you will learn how to create a virtual private cloud with both public and private subnets using the AWS Management Console. This setup is ideal for isolating a sensitive resource while allowing public access to others. Commonly used for secure application deployments. First step, log in to your AWS Management Console, sign in with your AWS credentials. And second, navigate to the VPC dashboard. VPC, right here. Click VPC. You'll be redirected to the VPC dashboard. Next step, create a new VPC. Click here, create VPC. On the virtual private cloud, click create VPC button, sets the following notification configuration. VPC only. Name tag, I will choose my VPC. IPv4 CIDR block, specify a CIDR block for your VPC, for example 10.0.0.0/16. IPv6 CIDR block, leave these as no IPv6 CIDR blocks by default. Tenancy also left by default, and click create VPC. Step 4, we should now create an internet gateway. In the left-hand navigation pane, click on Internet Gateways here. Sorry. Internet Gateways. Click Create Internet Gateway. Set the following configuration. Name tag, my internet gateway, my int get. Click create internet gateway. After the internet gateway is created, select it and click actions attached to VPC. Attach to VPC, select the VPC, choose your new created VPC, attach internet gateway. Now we should create public and private subnets. In the left-hand navigation pane, click on Subnets, create subnets, click here. First step, create the public subnet. For this, select the new created VPC. Subnet name is my public subnet, my public subnet. Available zone, choose an available zone US East 1A. IPv4 CIDR block, enter a smaller CIDR block, for example 10.0.1.0/24. and create subnet. Next step, create private subnet. Select VPC, new created. Write here my private subnet. Availability zone check US eastbound, and for IPv4 CIDR block enter 10.0.0 10.02.0/24 and click create subnet. Okay. Now we should modify the root table for public subnet. For this, in the left-hand navigation pane, click on root tables. Select the root table associated with your VPC. It will automatically be created when the VPC was created here. As you see, click root and then edit routes. Add a new route. Destination default gateway 0.0.0/0, and to allow traffic to any IP target, internet gateway, and choose my internet gateway. It's showing here now. I will add one more internet gateway. And choose my save changes. Okay. Associate the root table with the public subnet. In the same root table, click the subnet associations. Edit subnet associations. Select my public subnet. Associate the root table with the public subnet. In the same root table, click the subnet association tab. Edit subnet associations. Select the my public subnet. And save associations. Now we should create a NAT gateway for private subnet. In the left-hand navigation pane, click on NAT gateways. NAT gateways, and click create NAT gateway. Set the following configuration: subnet, name tag, my NAT, private, select subnet, VPC, my subnet, my private subnet, elastic IP allocation ID, click allocate elastic IP, and then click allocate. create NAT gateway. Next step, modify root table for private subnet. In the left-hand navigation pane, click root tables. Set the following configuration. Name my root table. Select VPC. Sorry. Create my root table. This is new root table. As you see, click roots, edit roots, add a new root, destination 0.0.0/0, add new root, select NAT gateway, and for my private gateway, save changes. All changes have been used critic. Back. Sorry. Minus. Next, we should associate the private root table with the private subnet. Go to Subnet Association tab. Click Edit Associations. Select my private subnet. So, as you see, we check this box, my root table, subnet associations. Here is the public. Here is the private. Now, sorry. Subnet associations. Edit private subnet. Checkbox. My private subnet. Save associations. For verify your setup, launch an EC2 instance in both public and private subnet. You should now create two EC2 instances. Launch instance. Public EC2 Amazon Linux free tier. I have a keep here. Before I created, if you didn't create it, create here and you keep here. Left all this by default and launch instance. Now I will create second instance for private subnet. EC2. Same Amazon Linux. Tier 2 micro free tier. Same. Keep here. Left all this by default and launch instance. Second instance. Check if the instance is a public subnet can be accessed over the internet. Ensure that the private subnet instance can access the internet through the NAT gateway. Now we can check our public instance. Check this box, send connect, use direct connect. SSH from here. Now we're going ping 888. As you see, it's working. Public EC2 is publicly. Now private instance also connect private instance, which is in the private subnet, and go on ping 888. Also working not. You see, this lab will help you understand how to set up a basic VPC infrastructure with both public and private subnet, ensuring security and scalability in your cloud architecture.